Configuration Manager database contains several views that we can use to extract data and to later display that data in reports. In this demonstration, we'll see how we can use an SQL query to retrieve information about desktop computers. So what I've done is I've come into my Configuration Manager console, I've come to the monitoring workspace, I've come to the reporting node. On reports, we'll right click and we'll click Create Report. We're going to go for an SQL based report, and we want to base this on desktop computers. And what we also want to do here is we just want to browse through for the path, and within the path what we're looking for here is, if we scroll this down a bit, we're looking for our site client information and select OK. Then what we'll do is we'll select Next and select Next again. So as we can see here, it has successfully worked through the wizard, so we'll select our Close button. And what will happen at this point here is it will then launch our report builder application. So at this point here, we will just run this application. As you can see, it's just downloading our report builder. So within report builder, what we want to do here is we're just going to come down to data sets, and we'll right click on data sets, and what we want to do is we just want to add a data set. We want to give it a name, so all we're going to do up the top here is we're just going to call this DS Desktops. Then what we want to do is we just want to use a data set embedded in my report. We click on our little drop down here, we're just going to go for this auto generation one. Then in the query box, what we need to do is we need to type in our query. What this query is going to do, it's going to join data from two views. It's going to do from the VR system view and the VGS system enclosure view. And the name of the views do actually follow a pattern. So all view names start with a V underscore. This indicates that the object is a view, followed by one or two letters, and then followed by the name of the object. So for instance, VR system, the R will stand for resource. Also as well, what we have is we've got the VGS system enclosure, and the GS refers to the most current inventory data of the object system enclosure. Also what we could potentially have is VHS system enclosure, and that would retrieve historic inventory data. Next thing to do at this point is we'll just select our OK button. That's just going to ask me to enter the data source credentials, so we'll just specify our password. And at this point what we've now done is we have created a custom query. So at this point here we'll just select OK. And that's the end of this demonstration of creating a custom report within Config Manager. Thank you.